So I'll be showing you how to install the Amazon Prime Video app on your Android phone. So what you need to do is go to the Google Play Store and then search for Prime Video. And from the results, you should see the Prime Video application. This is what it looks like. So it says Prime Video in the icon, and it's by Amazon Mobile LLC. So make sure you get the correct application. So go ahead and install. And with the installation complete, you can simply tap on open from here, or you can go to the apps screen and find the Prime Video icon there, launch it. Of course, for the first time, it might require some permissions for notifications and stuff like that. Choose allow or don't allow, depending on what you want. And then go ahead and sign in to your Amazon Prime Video account, which for most people is just your Amazon account. So just enter your email address or phone number and password for Amazon. If you don't have an Amazon account and you want to use Prime Video, then you can tap on create a new account and then start signing up for an Amazon account. But since I have an account, I'll simply just log in. And finally, you're logged into Amazon Prime Video. And that's basically how to install and set up Prime Video on your Samsung, or rather on your Android phone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.